Another Dubai chocolate, guys. I found at Struck and Bantel. So I'm gonna try this. This is a little bit cheaper. It's $12. Let's check, guys. B-Max. So here's the packaging. It's almost the same size, but we'll see. My daughter is laughing at me. Okay, put it there in your head. So wow, look nice. My other daughter was excited to eat this too because she likes pistachio. So I'm gonna eat first. Hey, behave, Bailey. Put it there in the. Here, guys. Oh, I tried. Okay, here you go. Yuck. Okay, try ha. Tabang mo ang ingkit. It's not that green, like the first one
Mom,
from the mall.
Grass. It looks like wet grass.
What?
Chocolate, the insides.
I know, but yeah, cause you know, green is like a grass,
Good.
but it's still like crispy. I like it,
Oh,
but it's not very greeny. Not compared to the other one.
tastes like a Kit Kat.
Wow. Yeah, it's like a Kit Kat. Or Haley said, okay.
So then just get a Kit Kat.
Mm.
Cheaper.
Oh, it's crunchy. I like it.